Good morning from Coastal RV Center. This morning we're touring a 2017 American Dream. This American Dream is available at Coastal RV Center in Ravenel, South Carolina. It's 45T, 45 feet long, bath and a half, and it has bunks. Spectacular coach. It is in like new condition. It's had over $27,000 in upgrades, including a new couch and a new love seat and numerous new upgrades that we can discuss. Here's the front half bath. As you can see, everything is in excellent condition. Pactel dishwasher, residential fridge with water and ice in the door, spotless. Bedroom has tons of storage and cabinetry. Has a power king bed, ceiling fan, and the spacious and gorgeous rear bathroom. Dual vanities, beautiful custom square shower. I should unlock it before I open it. Again, that is custom built. Magic flush toilets, stackable washer dryer, and the large custom bunkhouse. 2 large bunks to the right on the driver's side, 2 shorter bunks on the passenger side. Thank you for your time. Come visit us, Coastal RV Center, Ravenel, South Carolina, just south of Charleston. Have a great day.